Hello guys, today we have a 2025 GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to change these wiper blades. It's pretty easy. They're both the same size, which is nice. They're both 22 inches long. First, grab the hold of the wiper arm, pull it up towards you, and you'll see this black latch here. All you need to do is get underneath it. If you need a screwdriver, get one. Lift up like that, and then take the wiper blade, push it down towards the windshield, and it will release just like that. This is your standard J-hook style wiper arm. Be very careful. These are spring-loaded wiper arms, and you don't want them to fall and hit the windshield, potentially crack it or chip it. So just be aware of it. Alright, to install the new blade, take your blade, line it up with the end of the wiper arm, and as soon as you get it inserted, lift up, and then take the latch, snap it down, and that's it. Same thing for the other side. Well guys, that completes the video. Please subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.